Investors today can feel a lot like athletes who have been bumped around, jostled, knocked down, and hit unexpectedly. After enough impact, even the strongest athlete can become concussed, disoriented, unable to fully process what happened, why it happened, or what to do next. Today's investors can feel very much the same way. When markets are noisy, confidence gets shaken, focus gets harder, perspective narrows, and in that state, it becomes more difficult to assess what is truly happening versus what is simply creating fear. A concussed athlete needs a quiet room. An investor in times like these need the same. That is the purpose of this video series, to create a space to find quiet amid the noise. A space to pause, step back from the headlines, and reassess with greater clarity and discipline. Today's investment market is full of noise. Tariffs, interest rates, population pressures, the condo housing market, wars, liquidity concerns, gating, and IPO activity. That noise has driven volatility, uncertainty, and doubt across public markets, and begun to spill into parts of the exempt market that have historically been more insulated from daily market turbulence. The questions investors should be asking is not whether noise exists. It does. The better question is whether that noise is causing some investors to react to exempt market investments in ways that are not grounded in their underlying fundamentals. Through this series, we want to help investors step away from reacting to the noise and turn to assessment. First, assess yourself. Has my investment objectives changed? Has my investment time horizon changed? Have my investment parameters changed? Has my risk profile changed? Next, assess your investments. Have the fundamentals of the investment changed? Have the operations of the investment changed? Have the top-line revenues changed? Have the operating expenses been significantly impacted? If the answer to many of these questions is a resounding no, then both your personal investment framework and the fundamentals of the investment may still be stable, and immediate action may not be necessary. Conversely, if the answer to many of these questions is yes, then that may signal a need to revisit your positioning and consider whether realignment is appropriate. This series is designed to help investors find that quiet, not by ignoring reality, but by reducing distraction and returning focus to what matters most. Needs-based decision-making, simplified investment parameters, and a disciplined view of the essentials. That is where Skyline believes it can provide perspective. Through essential-based real estate and infrastructure investments, grounded in fundamentals and built for long-term relevance.